Hey everybody, it's that time of year where we're all putting on lots of weight, a lot of poundage. Now, if you're eating really bad stuff, then no matter how much you exercise, it's not going to burn the fat that you need to do to get rid of that big belly. The way to lose weight is to stop eating junk and to stop eating so much food. You can lose weight a little bit with exercise, but you're fooling yourself if you think you're going to burn off that weight by working out all the time. It's not going to happen. You lose weight by controlling your eating. So what I'm going to do for my viewers, and as I always say, do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, leave a comment. You want to support me? Ask for my PayPal info. It will be in the video description along with affiliate links you can click if you want to help me out. So here we go. End of the year. We need to stay healthy. You want to have strong abdominal muscles. Doing sit-ups is not the greatest thing because it puts a massive amount of strain on your neck and your shoulders. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do about 100 cycles. We're going to do cycling with air cycles, bicycle cycles. So we're going to do 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to tell you 8, 9, 10. This is going to hit your quads. Your legs are going to hurt a lot, probably more than your abs or your belly or your abdominal muscles. Your legs are going to start hurting because you're holding your legs up in the air and you're rotating and it's very painful. Try to put something behind your head, behind your neck, so that it is not stressing out your neck as you're doing this. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 6, 37, 38, 39, 40. I'm going to feel it in a minute. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52. I'm feeling it right in my legs right now, right in the quads, the front of the legs. 52, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, ow. 27, 28, 29, 30, ow, 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 ow. Oh my God, I think we're at 80. Oh, that hurts. The pain is so insane. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 89, 90, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, what I'm going to tell you, ow, that hurts. The quads are killing me right now. What's going to happen is tomorrow I'm going to be sitting there thinking, am I sick? Do I have a stomach ache? Did I eat something bad? Why am I not feeling well? Because doing even 100 of these, your abs are just going to knot up and you're going to have this pain across your midsection. And you are going to say, ow, ow, I have a pain across my midsection. What is wrong with me? That is the abdominal muscle building up. Now, if you think that you're going to do 1,000 of these a day and you're going to have great abs, no. The only way you're going to see really good abs, you can develop the muscle, but you're not going to see the abs or the six-pack until you burn all that fat off. And you need to burn off more fat than the average person who is in shape has. You need to burn off that whole layer of fat underneath your abs, that whole area, the belly area, so that you'll be able to see the abdominal muscle. So you could do 1,000 of these a day, and unless you have very low body fat, you're probably never going to see the six-pack. I'm out of breath a little bit. The quads are sore. Please make this video viral. I need to get like a 10 zillion thousand views in the next 2 days. I want my channel to just go wild for the holiday, and I need to get lots of views, lots of people watching, a lot of subscribers, lots of clicks on everything that pops up on the screen to help my channel grow. Have a good New Year, everybody. Stay safe. We've already gone through one holiday. We're going to have a surge on top of a surge on top of a surge. We're already seeing the surge for the Thanksgiving, and we are going to see the surge very soon in another couple weeks for Christmas, and then we're going to see the surge for New Year's. So, stay well, stay safe, and stay at home. Let's survive this together. I'll put out another exercise video if you want me to. One thing that I will say, I really love doing the stretches like this, and I was doing them all the time where you take the legs and you do that. The problem is I started having so many problems with my legs when I would stand up. They weren't feeling well, and it was because I was stretching the muscle right where it attaches to the body, the leg to the body. So if you are one of those people that does that stretching, be really careful because you could cause yourself a lot of damage. It took me months to be able to get rid of that. It was just like a weakness, like I had strained and stretched the muscles over there. So let's go out with another 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 7, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. I felt it again, so we're on 45. That's when the quads hurt. Stay well, stay safe, and make sure you do that thumbs up and all the other cool stuff to help my channel grow. That's what I need. That's what I need. I need your help. See ya.